French press is a classic brewing method. French press produces a really heavy body to your cup and a lot of rich flavor. With the method I'm about to show you, it was inspired by James Hoffmann and Tim Wendelboe. It is not a fast method. Some may consider this maybe a Saturday morning coffee. You have to take the time for this, but it is well worth it. Believe me, I've tried it many times and I've really enjoyed the outcome of this method of brewing. Here are some of the tools you're going to need: a French press brewing device, a digital scale, a water kettle, 2 tablespoons, a timer, and freshly roasted, great tasting coffee. Boil water and let stand for 2 minutes, or heat your electric kettle between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by heating your French press container with your hot water, then discard. We're going to dose 30 grams of coffee. Your grind size should be similar to table salt, or as regular grind for a filter coffee. Pour your ready hot water over the grounds in the French press brewing device. We're going to pour in 450 milliliters of hot water. Pour in a circular motion so that you can get full coverage of water over the coffee grounds. I like to turn the device to ensure that all grounds get properly wet. Once you've fully poured the desired amount of water, neatly and carefully place the plunger on top of the French press brewer and set your timer for 4 minutes. This is where it requires some patience, so find something to do. Once your 4 minutes is up, take one of your tablespoons and stir the layer of coffee grounds at the top of the brewed coffee, only 3 times as necessary. Then take both tablespoons and carefully scoop off the foam that sits at the top. This foam can have a slight bitter taste to it, and discard the foam. Then neatly place the plunger back on top of the French press just above the brewed coffee. We're going to set our timer for 5 minutes. In this last phase, do not worry, your coffee will not get over extracted. What's happening is the remaining coffee particles are falling to the bottom. This second process allows the coffee to develop a rich sweetness. When 5 minutes is up, carefully place the plunger back on the very top of the French press, but do not plunge. Simply secure the plunger so that the opening is free to pour. While carefully handling the French press, pour into your favorite mug and enjoy.